Joshuas FunVideo.
Hi, me,
And today we are going to be opening this
Retevis Kids Walkie-Talkie.
And right now I'm going to open it and see what it's all about.
Open it.
There's the instruction manual so that way we can learn about the walkie-talkies. This is what they look like.
That's what they look like. What's the instruction manual?
Release the battery cover and remove. So put in the
I
double-A batteries.
I'm gonna call Daddy on it.
Now for this part, you just lift up here. This is very easy. Now put your batteries in. And now you close it up.
James doesn't have his on. Where? Look.
Now I'm putting all the batteries on the second one. For walkie-talkies, you need 2 for it to work.
Hello.
And there we go. You have to press the PTT button in order to talk through microphones.
Hi there, Jacob.
Now say hi, Joshua.
Hi, Joshua.
Make sure you're not so close when you're using them. Jacob, I have a really good idea, and it's epic.
There are so many outdoor and indoor uses, but here are some of our favorites.
Joshua, tell me when Mommy's coming.
Okay. Mommy's coming. Put the camera away.
Okay, putting away.
Hi boys, what are you doing?
We were just waiting for you. Saving me, Joshua.
You're welcome.
And when I'm playing on the Switch, when I should be doing homework,
Joshua, Mommy is coming.
Hi Joshua, what are you doing?
Just doing my homework.
Oh, okay.
and Mom likes it because she doesn't have to yell to call me for lunch.
Hey Joshua, it's time for lunch.
Okay.
And here is a manual in case you need it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. See you next time.